Expression is AB plus CD whole bar. Expression is AB plus CD whole bar. Right side, this is the circuit diagram. AB plus CD whole bar. Right side, this is the circuit diagram. 4 NMOS and 4 PMOS are required. 4 NMOS, 4 PMOS are required. I am going to new schematic. And here I will take 4 NMOS required. One below the other. One below the other. 4 NMOS. Okay, one below the other, one below the other, 4 NMOS, and then PMOS, one beside the other, one beside the other. I have to take PMOS. I have to put them one beside the other. One beside the other. Escape. And if I take the wiring and just I will give zoom in. I think now it is fit to the window. If you see NMOS face to face, PMOS also face to face, I will just try to do that. So I have to click and then Control E. Now it is okay. Control E and fit in the window. Fit in the just click on the window. It will get stuck or fit in that place. Now it is moving. Control E means click and just fit it in the window. So NMOS face to face completed. NMOS face to face completed. Now PMOS face to face. Okay. And the drain point should be on the top. Drain point should be on the top. So click this. Control E. Control E. Control R. Escape. Just fit it. If you select this, Control R, Control R, Control R. This is correct. Drain is on the top, source is on the bottom. Okay. Click on this, Control R, Control R. This is also correct. Drain is on the top, source is on the bottom. Click on this, Control R, Control R. Okay. Drain on the top side. Click on this, Control R, Control R. Okay. Control E. Now drain on the top. Escape button. Now if you take, yes, now the full window is visible. Now I will join these two drain points. I will join these two source points. I will join these two source points. I will join these two drain points. And I will join these two PMOS transistors on the top, NMOS transistors on the bottom. This is the point where I am going to take output. Now the window is visible. Join them. Join them. Now if you see on the top VDD, bottom ground, no doubt in that. Okay, top is VDD, bottom is ground. PMOS, NMOS combinations are present. Top is VDD, bottom is ground. So I need 4 voltage sources. Along with VDD, I need 5 voltage sources. This is for VDD I will connect. This is for A I will connect. This is for B I will connect. This is for C. And this is for D. And for all this, we need ground connection. Give one ground connection. Here one more ground connection. And now I will connect the wiring. This is VDD, logic 1 5 volts we have to give. This is VDD connected. We have to connect here. Extra wire will create problem. So while drawing, we should be careful. Okay. Now I will check the circuit. If you see here, this is A and B. This is C and D. And here A, B. Okay, same points. A, B horizontal. This is C, D horizontal. C, D horizontal. Same points we have to give. Same points we have to give. So first one is A. First one is A. I'll be giving this for A. And this is B parallelly. This is B. I have to get it to B. This is the B voltage. And now this is C. Left side I have to take C. Left side I have to take C. This is C. And this is D. This is D. Okay, I have connected correctly. So entire circuit is visible. Entire circuit is visible. I need to give one ground point. Escape button. So simply here and there any components are there, error will come. So be cautious what we are doing. Now if you see, this is AB, this is AB, and here I am connecting A, and this one I am connecting to B. This one I am connecting to B. This is CD, this is CD. C I am connecting to left side one. C I am taking and connecting to the left side MOSFET, PMOS. And this is D, I am connecting D here. Okay. This is my output point. This is my output point. Now we have to give settings. After that we will just, this is VDD, logic 5. This is A. Okay, we have 4 combinations now. We have 4 combinations. So what to do? Go to advanced, pulse, and here 0 followed by 5. Delay is 0.5 nano. Rise time 1 nano. Fall time 1 nano. On time 16 milli. And time period 32 milli. I am giving for A. This is A. Now this is B. I will give time period half of A. For B, I will give time period half of A. This is 0, then 5, then delay 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano. On time, I have to give 8 milli. Time period, I have to give 16 milli. This is for B. C, I will give half of B. C, I will give half of B. Pulse, this is 0, then 5, then delay is 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano. On time I have to give half, I told you 4 milli, and then 8 milli. Half of B I am giving for C. This is C. Now coming to D, go to advanced, pulse, then 0, 0 followed by 5, then delay is 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, and on time I have to give 2 milli, time period I have to give 4 milli. Okay. Now you can check. For A I have given 16 and 32, B I have given 8 and 16, C I have given 4 and 8, for D I have given 2 and 4. Okay. And this is my final output point. Just I will try simulate in simulation anything above 32 or above 32. We'll be able to see. You just fix it somewhere in the window. Yes, I am fixing it here. Full window is visible. Go to simulation. 4 inputs, 1 output is there. Okay. So simulation, tile vertical, 4 inputs, 1 output. So 5 planes we have to take. 5 planes we have to take. 3 planes completed. 3 planes completed. Okay. Fourth one. This is four, 5 planes. Okay. So click on the first one. Go to run button. Click on A. This is A point. Go to second button, run, then this is B, this is third one, run button, this is C, and this is fourth input, run button, and go to D, this is D. Okay, now you can see 4 zeros are there, then 0001 is there, 2, 3, 4 like that. 4 variables means 16 combinations. Click on this and go to simulate button and click on the output variable. Okay, we have to check which is weak 0, weak 1, strong 0, strong 1. We have to draw the truth table for the circuit and analyze whether the output waveform is correct or not. Okay, so I will stop here. The expression what we have done is AB plus CD whole bar.